Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to fill in the background verification details for the particular employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can simply click on the complete profile option for the particular employee for whom the details need to be updated. Under the various categories of information, the background verification section is displayed once it is clicked. Here, the user can simply select the type of background verification that was done and the status and the range during which the background verification was done can be entered. Once all the details are filled, the user can also add more background verification details if the same has been done, or can remove the existing details as well. The Save and Next option can be clicked and the background verification details for the particular employee is updated and the profile score is also updated. Thank you for watching.